How to delete memory dumps or DMP file to free up space. Now, this is actually very simple if you are going to do this one for Windows 11 and for Windows 10. Now, memory dumps are usually created when you are going to experience sudden crash in your PC. So basically, it saves all of those there in order for you to diagnose this later on. Now, this time, let's go ahead and basically open the file. So this is what we are going to be using, and then we're going to go ahead and open this PC or your Windows C. Now go ahead and open this one, and then go ahead and open the Windows. Now if you are going to scroll down here, you should be able to see this file right here. This is the memory dump. Now if you are going to check the size of this thing here, it says that this is 100 MB. So depending on how many crashes your computer has experienced over the time that you have not saved or deleted this one, this can actually accumulate to about 5 gigabytes, 10 gigabytes, depending on the crashes that you have experienced. In my case, it's only 106 MB because I have just experienced this one recently. Now, in order to delete this one, go ahead and click Control and then tap the delete button here. So what it does is that it is going to delete it permanently so you don't see it go into the recycle bin. So basically, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.